Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and this is a quick unboxing of the brand new Realme Buds Air that was just announced today. The Buds Air has been a pretty interesting little creation by Realme for a lot of reasons that you can probably already tell. Still, I'm actually looking forward to trying these out, but before I start my review, here's a quick unboxing just so you know what you get in that box. Okay, so that's the box. It says Buds Air right there because these are the Realme Buds Air. I'm sure there's a lot of people that are going to talk about how similar this looks to a certain Apple product, but I'm just going to skip that for this video. Quick list of features at the back. So right here you can see that there is super low latency, there's wireless charging, which is really cool, especially in this price range. Open up automatic connection with Google Fast Pair. Never actually tried that out before, so I'm excited to see how that works. There's wear detection for autoplay and pause. There's dynamic bass boost driver, and there's dual mic noise cancelling, which again is not very common in this price range. So I'm going to be very interested in trying these out. All right, so let me open up the box. All right, so you open it up, and the first thing you get is the Realme Buds Air in a very similar packaging. Geez, oh well. Alright, so that's a quick look at the case. Again, it does look quite similar to a certain thing, but not too bad. Here you go. So the stem is a little different. That's one thing that you will notice. But apart from that, it does admittedly look quite similar to the Airpods. Okay, so that's a quick look at how these look. I'll give you a quick comparison about how this looks versus the usual Airpods as well later on. Let me see what else you get in the box. Oh, that's cool. There's this little status light there. That's interesting. Okay, let's see what else we get apart from that. Alright, you have this micro USB to the USB Type-C charging cable. Quite small, but I'm assuming this can be charged with any normal Type-C cable. And then lastly, you have your warranty and quick start guide on how to use your new Realme Buds Air, which again seems pretty easy enough to set up. And yeah, that's it. So the Realme Buds Air also comes in a yellow color. This is not the final unit that I have. It's kind of a prototype, so it's not exactly the same finish, but in case you guys want to see what the yellow version looks like, here's a quick look at it. It's basically exactly the same, just in a very bright yellow color. Let me take these out so I can show them to you. Yeah, so that's how the yellow version looks like compared to the white version. This really depends on your taste. I think the yellow version is more photogenic, but I think I'd look better wearing the white version or the black version that the Buds Air actually comes in. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing of the brand new Realme Buds Air. Okay, so just because I know a lot of you guys are going to ask me about it, here's a quick look at how different it looks versus the normal Airpods. So the first thing you'll see is that the case is quite different. It does look a similar size and shape for sure, but in actuality it does look quite different. For example, the button on the Buds Air is at the front, whereas on the Airpods they're at the back. Also the hinge is slightly different, so there's that as well. When you open them up, again they do look a little similar but not exactly the same. Let me take these out so I can show you what they look like. Alright, so the first thing you notice is that the Airpods have a more rounder base, whereas this is a little bit more angular. At the same time, there's no little vent at the top. But on the other side, yeah, things do look a little bit familiar, but not exactly the same. You also notice the base is quite different of the Airpods versus these. So yeah, a little similar, but not exactly the same. So that's a quick look at the Realme Buds Air versus the normal Apple Airpods. Alright guys, that was a quick unboxing of the brand new Realme Buds Air. As always, if you have any questions about these, guys, let me know right in the comment section below. Or you can ask me right over on Instagram or Twitter at ClintonJeff. And hey, if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button right below, or maybe subscribe, because that would be appreciated. Definitely subscribe if you like seeing me with these yellow earbuds right there. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.